journaling video. I'm Leslie, and today let's start off with a writing prompt about evening. It's evening here, dusk. Let's write about dusk. So take 2 minutes, pause the video, and come back and meet me on the other side. How did that go? Did you like it? Did it feel like you connected with it? I have to admit I thought of the prompt because it is dusk right now as I film, and it feels like this, there's something really intangible about dusk, this moment, this ephemeral time of day where there's this handoff between day and night, and this change slips in, and it's quite beautiful. And especially in the summer, there's something kind of plaintive about it. So I'll share what I wrote, and hope you enjoyed that one. Dusk, transitory, transition, movement, liminal, day to night exchange, handoff, quieting, reflection, precious, sweet, bittersweet, sadness, longing, lingering, a whispered goodbye, a plaintive moment of settling, send-off, darkening, waning. So take that. You can really, the thing about nature journaling and writing about your environment or where or when you are is that there's always what is right here to write about and to help us connect with what's present, so we can notice it, appreciate it, and tune in to the wonder and awe of all that is around us all the time. So, and now I think let's move on to our sketching prompt. All right, and for our sketching prompt, let's look for things that are symmetrical, that have symmetry. So let's go. Check out these lovely marigolds. Look at that. Look at the color and shape. And these are symmetrical. They have the same petals on the same opposite of each other. And so let us explore a drawing of this symmetrical marigold. Kind of reminds me of another symmetrical friend in the world of nature, the four-leaf clover. And it's got this like interesting center that's sticking up, and then like the yellow part. This is good. Cool. And then it has like a neat detail, which is like the yellow outline around this rich red. So if I were using colored pencils, I might indicate that with my colored pencils. I think I'll just kind of indicate it with a line like this. And then a good nature journaling habit to do is just write about it. So according to my Seek app, this is a French marigold. These were seeds that I got from my friend Suzanne. Shout out to Suzanne. I planted these from seed. And so I might write like vibrant, rich, color, sort of red burgundy with delicate orange outline all around the edges. And then I might write symmetry. So that's my little nature journaling page with my writing about today's prompt of dusk and my marigold at dusk. And I just drew the flower, but I could also draw the stem here and the leaves. Leaves are interesting. So there you go. Enjoy. Go explore finding symmetry.